In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Outlook 2010 for Gmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you're doing this for personal or professional reasons, seamlessly integrating these tools will definitely enhance your email management. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Gmail credentials to log in securely. Once signed in, locate the Gmail icon, which is often found among the options in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this to access your Gmail account. After gaining access to your Gmail dashboard, you need to direct your attention to the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this and it will open a drop-down menu. From the options presented here, choose See All Settings to enter a more comprehensive settings interface. This is where you will configure the settings that will allow Outlook 2010 to function properly with your Gmail. Navigate to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab found within the settings on the upper part of the menu. This tab contains essential options for enabling the communication between Gmail and other email clients. Here you should find a section titled IMAP Access. Check if the Enable IMAP option is selected. If not, make sure to click it. Ensuring that IMAP is enabled is crucial, as this protocol allows your emails to sync between Gmail and Outlook, so you're always up to date no matter where you check your mail. Now scroll down slightly and find an option that reads Configure your email client, displayed as a link. Click on it and a new window or tab will appear, guiding you with specific server settings. For Outlook 2010, these will include the IMAP server, security types and port numbers that you will need later in the setup process. Keep this window open or take note of the essential details. At this point, your Gmail account is properly configured to allow access via Outlook 2010. Now, you can switch over to Outlook. Open Outlook 2010 on your computer and go to the File menu located at the top left corner. From there, select Account Settings. Within the account settings, choose New to add an account, and a step-by-step wizard should guide you through inputting your Gmail credentials, utilizing those server settings you noted earlier. Be sure to follow the prompts carefully, enter your Gmail address and password where required, along with the IMAP server address and port numbers provided on Gmail's setup page. Once everything is filled out, hit Test Account Settings. If you've entered the details correctly, Outlook will connect successfully. That's it, you've just linked your Gmail account to Outlook 2010. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of managing your Gmail straight from Outlook. If you encounter any issues, double check your settings in both Gmail and Outlook, as any small error can prevent successful syncing. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for tuning in.